Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key on your video player.
Good morning, all. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Monday, the 7th of January, 2019, about 9:23 a.m. Central Standard Time. And as you can see, we're not at least as volatile as we've been recently. That doesn't mean we didn't have a lot of volatility in stock indices overnight. When you look at this range, it's about, 350 points, so that's quite a bit. You've got a 28-point range in the S&P and the NASDAQ with a 90. But what I wrote in my report was I am expecting this to start coming out of the market to a degree now, and I'm looking for that to begin as of today. We'll see if I'm right or wrong. Gold's still getting a good bid at this point. Copper's down a bit, and that's because so many people are looking at the Chinese economy, not believing their 6.5% growth number, thinking it is slipping, and it's going to slip going forward, even with them doing the reserve requirements and so on. Obviously, one of the things that's going on right now, and it's helping the beans get a bid at this point, is that the U.S. and Chinese trade delegations are meeting in Beijing. It's a two-day meeting. One of the top negotiators for China did make a surprise visit to the meeting. That's always a good sign. But as Wilbur Ross said, and I can show you this all through here, as Wilbur said, it's not in what they say, it's in what they do, and that's always the difficulty. On today's data for the stock market, Conference Board came out 111.61, that's the current one, revised from 110.23, so that's actually a better employment trend. The bad news came in on the ISM non-U.S. manufacturing, 57.6 versus an expected 58.5. The business activity, 59.9, dropping from 65.2 in the prior month. Non-manufactured prices down 8 points, you can see it there, about unchanged in manufactured orders, but the employment fell to 56.3. As I said, trade talks today have resumed. Behind the scenes, some government advisors, as I said, are disputing what the real growth is in China, and this is the key to me. It's the structure and enforcement. China can say all they want. They can write laws. The problem is when a U.S. business goes there, the first thing that happens is the manufacturer says, you want to do business with me, I got to have these, I really need the sauce that makes your product works. And the U.S. guy says, well, that's against the law. It's what the law says and what the reality is what I'm reading. Very different world. They have to get onto the same page. I'm going to be able to discuss a lot of this and more at this coming Thursday. Yep, I'm going to hold another live webinar this Thursday. Now, if you're not on my mailing list, go to our website at www.iraepstein.com, sign up for one of our goods to get on of it. Otherwise, you'll find that in your mailbox later today, I will be issuing the invite to it. I'll probably do it 1 or 2 times this week. It fills, folks. To make sure that you're on it, you can always call my staff at 866-973-2077. And I'm the first to tell you, these may go into your junk or your clutter boxes. Check them. Otherwise, just call my staff. It's an invite only. An email will be coming out to you. You click, put in your information. There'll be a password to it. That'll be sent to you as well. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a good day. I'll see you at the end of the day. And for those of you in Canada, I'll be on Bloomberg this afternoon, 3:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, BNN TV. Take care.